So biochemistry and molecular biology is an extremely fascinating subject where we actually look into the cell to see what's happening there. So we look at the fundamental molecules of life, from DNA and RNA through to proteins, which tend to govern the activities of the cell. And the subject really delves deeply into how all of those processes are controlled. So the students will start learning fundamental biochemistry, where atoms come together to make molecules, how those molecules then come together to make living processes. So there's a lot of different elements. There's biology, there's chemistry, there's some mathematics and physics in there as well. So the types of students that will enjoy this course are deeply passionate about learning. They've got a great curiosity. So this subject is so deep in terms of learning things all the way down to the molecular level, things that happen inside cells and how these ultimately contribute to the normal functioning of the body and also the abnormal functioning in disease. So a student who really wants to learn a huge amount about how life works at this level, this course is ideal for them. The course here at UCD is really well structured for students who are interested in not only studying biochemistry and molecular biology, but I suppose fundamentally learning how to handle the data from experiments, learning how to design experiments with a very practical focused course. We have fantastic practical classes. I think that's really one of the core features of this program, the Biochemistry and Molecular Biology program. We introduce our students early to the labs. Those labs tend to be regulated so that we keep the sizes small, so the students really get a chance to enjoy the hands-on learning. And laboratory and practical training is really an ever-present throughout the degree program. In first year, the students will take a broad range of science subjects. And then as you progress into second year and third year, the students will get a chance to specialize in more core subjects that are relevant to biochemistry. But you do, of course, still have the opportunity of taking other subjects such as pharmacology, genetics, neuroscience, microbiology. And the development, let's say, of the specialization in the subject is really exciting for students. In third year, for example, we've initiated a fellowship program where students can compete to spend a summer in the laboratory of a principal investigator. It's obviously an opportunity for students to win an early award as well. And they love that because the excitement of working closely with a principal investigator is fantastic. It really brings the subject to life for them. They then go on into fourth year where they take on a 10-week research project. And this is fantastic because they get a chance to be in the lab, to design research questions and the experiments around that. So in addition to learning from the expert staff we have here at UCD, we also provide opportunities for our students to either take a full semester or in fact even a full year of studying abroad. We've got partner universities across Europe and the United States, from Florida to California, and also in Asia. And so the students can go and learn from other experts in the biochemistry and molecular biology area with whom we have a long-standing relationship. We do believe that it's an ideal opportunity for some students to go and broaden their horizons. Other students, of course, prefer to stay here at UCD and work in the labs that we organise during the summers or as part of their fourth year projects here. Work opportunities are so various. We live in a time where, for example, we're producing vaccines in a record period of time. A lot of that work's actually done here in Ireland, for example, so we are home to the top 10 companies producing biologic drugs and vaccines worldwide. So there's never really been a better time for somebody to graduate with a biochemistry and molecular biology degree, because there are so many interesting and dynamic roles that can be taken, be it in industry, be it in hospitals, be it in research institutes. But we do see now that our graduates are going into a much broader portfolio of jobs, because science itself has just become a very mainstream topic for the world at large. And with that comes great opportunities for our students to apply what they've learned. My advice for students starting this course at UCD is to come in and to get to know your peers early. All of you are taking the same journey, so it's an opportunity to kind of lose the nerves and understand that everybody's starting this exciting journey together. And I think the most important thing to remember is, although the first weeks might be a little bit daunting, you're embarking on a passion for life. This subject will reward you continuously throughout your career, no matter which level of organization you work with.